everyone. You're not going to believe what I just found out here.
Looks like someone lost their fancy flying machine. Wonder if it still works. Well, I'll be. Still got some juice left in this thing.
Easy there, little fella. Don't go crashing on me now.
Now talking.
Ah, look at this baby fly.
Oh, ow, come on. Of all the places to get stuck. There we go, easy does it. Nobody's getting hurt today.
Well, folks, that was quite the adventure. Sometimes the best finds are the ones you least expect.